Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen mount turn on issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart. Again click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on continue. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, click on again settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and scroll down to and click on factory data reset and scroll down to and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen mount turn on issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.